Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So welcome back to Home Decor 101. Today we're going to dive into two very distinct and popular home decor styles. We have Glam and Southwestern. Now both are going to have their really unique charm and characteristics and things that sets them apart. We're going to talk about key differences. We're going to talk about some of the color palettes, trademarks of each style, and furniture ideas. Plus, I'm going to share some tips on if you just fall in love with one of these styles, how you can recreate this look in your home. So let's get started. So Glam Home Decor is all about luxury, elegance, and just a little bit of drama. It's an interior design style that's both ornate, a little over the top, and even just a wee bit extravagant, which is why I love it. This style is characterized by bold colors, metallic finishes, elaborate detailing, and luxurious materials. This glam style is for those who love a more is more approach with a sense of sophistication and, of course, plenty of elegance and bling. Now, interestingly enough, there's not one set color scheme to follow for a glam space, but something you'll pretty much always find are metallics, most commonly gold, but you can also find rooms that highlight silver or bronze. I've even seen some brass. Now, although there isn't a set color palette, you can routinely find certain colors like rich jewel tones, emerald green, sapphire blue, and deep purples, paired with those metallics that we spoke about earlier. Also, neutrals such as black and white and gray are also commonly used to really create a sophisticated backdrop. The room has to have a certain wow factor somewhere. So, key trademarks of glam decor include statement lighting like chandeliers, really big blingy ones, mirrored furniture, and velvet or even silk upholstery. Look for furniture pieces with very ornate detailing, such as tufted sofas, gold accented coffee tables, and sleek, lacquered surfaces. Now, if you think you've seen this style but you're not for sure, some famous places that really embody this style include the Beverly Hills Hotel and the Ritz-Carlton in New York. These places really capture the essence of glamour home decor, and of course, luxury on top of luxury on top of luxury, making you feel like a star the moment you step inside. To recreate the glam look at home, start with a very neutral base. You always want to start with a neutral base depending on what style you're going for. Doesn't matter, just start with something. Now, your neutral base can be something as bold as, a hot pink velvet sofa, very regal purple rug. Just start with something and we are going to build around it. But you guys know my biggest tip to you is to always, well, I won't say that. I will say if you are just getting into home decor and you don't have a ton of money to put with it, I say go for neutral pieces like a neutral sofa or neutral coffee table, neutral TV stand, and then build the home decor style around that. So let's say you choose to go all in on glam and then next year you're like, this is not my style. You don't have to go and repurchase those big huge pieces. So I always say stick with the neutrals for the big pieces, your anchor pieces, and then go ahead and find your decor style with your accents, your smaller pieces. It's much easier to replace a lamp than a sofa. So like I was saying, just start with your neutral base, add in jewel tones, add in your metallics, accents like throw pillows, rugs, and even artwork for the wall. Some people even DIY their own artwork if you are super creative, and even sometimes even if you're not. YouTube has a ton of videos on how you can create a beautiful piece of wall art for your room for very little money, especially compared to what you would pay if you actually went to a store to purchase a piece similar. Don't forget to add your statement chandelier, mirrored furniture, mirrors around the room just to really elevate your space. So now let's shift gears to Southwestern home decor, a style that really draws inspiration from the American Southwest and Native American cultures. This style is warm, it's earthy, it's rustic, and it's perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The Southwestern color palette is all about earthy tones like terracotta, clay, adobe, and sand, mixed with vibrant accents like turquoise and red and yellow. If you really think about it and if you really notice, a lot of the colors in the Southwestern color palette are colors that you can find in the earth, in the sky, the land. It really ties nature in hardcore. These colors reflect the natural landscape of the Southwest, from deserts to sunsets. Trademarks of Southwestern decor include natural elements like wood. You'll see tons of leather and stone, a lot of stone fireplaces in this style, as well as handcrafted items like woven textiles, pottery, rugs. Look for furniture with a rustic weathered look and incorporate patterns like Navajo or Aztec prints. Almost every Southwestern room you see, I won't say all, but a lot of them will have something that pays homage to Native American culture. So you may see a rug with this Navajo or Aztec print. You may see, blankets, throw pillows, whatever it is. And I think that is so beautiful. Keep in mind, you can love Southwestern decor without living in the Southwest itself, or without having the heritage, or without Native American being your personal culture. It's just a way to say, hey, I love this style, it's beautiful, I respect everything it stands for, and I would like to have this look in my home every day. Now, popular places that really showcase this style include Santa Fe's La Fonda on the Plaza and the Arizona Biltmore. These places beautifully blend traditional Southwestern elements with really modern, up-to-date amenities. To bring Southwestern style into your home, start with a warm, neutral base and layer in those vibrant accent colors through throw pillows, throw blankets, accessories. Look for handcrafted pieces and natural materials to really add some authenticity to your room. Also, don't be afraid to mix patterns and textures for a really, truly eclectic feel. That's the one really cool thing about home decor. You don't just have to zero in on one style. You can definitely have a Southwestern eclectic room. You can have a Southwestern maximalist room. You can even have a Southwestern minimalist room. Fusion is beautiful, and it's a way to really zero in and personalize on a style that's yours and only yours. So now that we've really talked about both styles, let's compare glam and Southwestern just a bit. Now, while glam is all about luxury and bling and sophistication and elegant, Southwestern is more about warmth and rustic charm. The color palettes also differ significantly, with glam focusing on bold jewel tones, lots of metallics, lots of mirrored surfaces, and Southwestern really embracing those earthy tones and vibrant accents that we talked about. Furniture in glam decor tends to be more polished and ornate, with lots of mirrors and metallics. In contrast, Southwestern furniture is really more rustic and handcrafted. It looks like a piece that has been homemade and then passed down for generations. Sometimes it'll even have a weathered look. Both styles can create a really unique and inviting atmosphere. They just do it in really different ways. So choosing between these styles depends on your personal taste and the mood that you want to create in your home. If you love the idea of living in luxury and elegance, then glam decor is definitely for you. If you are more laid back, cozy, you like that rustic feel that's connected to nature, Southwestern decor is the way to go, and you would probably not enjoy living in a glam type room. Both glam and Southwestern home decor offer unique ways to create the room of your dreams, and whether you're drawn to the luxurious sophistication of glam or the coziness rustic charm of Southwestern, of course there's something for everyone. Definitely comment down below and let me know which way you had to go. Let's just do these two styles. If you had to choose one, which way would you go? Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.